Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. Thank you, Brookside, for sponsoring this video. Today, my husband, Raul, is gonna say yes to me for 24 hours, but he doesn't know it yet. Raul's a little bit on the shy side compared to me, so today I wanna test his limits a little bit and maybe inspire him to try new things. I feel like he actually might be really surprised with how well he could manage awkward situations that he wouldn't have been in otherwise. Today's video is actually inspired by our sponsor, Brookside. These chocolates are actually surprisingly delicious. I usually don't like dark chocolate, but something about the mixture with the fruit flavor is really good. This one is pomegranate flavor and this one is acai blueberry flavor, and we have been obsessed with these. So thank you, Brookside, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna go ahead and bring these along with me today, and we're gonna be snacking through the day. All right, let me change out of these pajamas and let's go tell Squishy the good news. Squishy, we're filming a really fun video today.
We're filming today?
Yeah, duh, dude, what do you mean? You're gonna say yes to me for 24 hours.
But I always say yes to you, every day. Like what?
Just yes. Okay, it starts right now. Can we go shopping, please?
No.
Actually, it's a yes, let's go. Oh my God, no.
What happened?
I forgot the chocolate.
Hold on.
Go get it, please.
Wait, me?
Just say yes, Raul. Every time, it's just gonna have to be a yes.
Okay, alright. Here you go, Karina. Wait, they sponsored you, Karina? You don't even like dark chocolate.
These are bomb.
Ooh, can I try that one?
Open up. Oh my God, can you feed them to me?
Yes.
You have to say yes.
Oh.
Oh my God, this is my favorite one. I think I like the pomegranate. I don't know which one I like better.
I like both.
I don't know if it's because we haven't ate breakfast, but I'm literally about to finish this bag. Like, thank you, Brookside, for hooking it up. Bomb!
I should be getting sponsored, Karina. I'm about to take you shopping.
Yeah, no. Remember that video we did where if I won, you were gonna take me shopping?
If Karina guesses all of them right, I will take her shopping.
Okay.
What if I don't get them all right? Then you take me shopping.
Well, you're about to pay, literally.
Alright, just don't make me go broke.
Ooh, hot dogs.
Do you want one? Ask me so I can say yes to that. Get much, Karina.
Well, honestly, I don't buy a lot of stuff in stores, but you're not gonna have it easy, that's for sure. You have no idea what I have planned for today. Squishy, how do you feel about a makeover?
Like barbershop makeover?
Like makeover.
Like makeup?
No, just say yes. Just come.
Yes, I'll do a makeover. What's going on?
Remember when I got my nails done really long and you said I looked ridiculous?
No, you're not putting nails on it, dude.
I'm gonna put nails on you. Come on, Raul, this is supposed to be a fun video.
But nails, really?
If you say yes to this, I'll do a video of saying yes to you for everything. What's the magic word?
Yes. Karina, but like, you know I have to film videos. How am I gonna film video with nails? They're gonna say like, why are you wearing nails?
You're gonna take them off. Okay, you have really thick nails. Let me just show you.
That hurts, dude. I
haven't even put it
like
on.
Hurts.
You have thick nails. Like your nail beds are thick the house. I need scissors. Can you get me scissors?
Yeah, I'll get you scissors.
It feels so good. Just say yes to everything. I love this.
Just don't put a lot of glue so I can take it off.
I need to press it down because for some reason your nails are so thick. That
hurts, dude.
They're so thick that it doesn't want to go on. You're gonna learn what it's like to have nails.
I feel like my whole nail is about to fall out.
Can you just please relax? I can't believe you think this hurts. When you actually go get your nails done, they file them down, they take your cuticles off. Sometimes it burns, not gonna lie. This isn't too bad, is it?
It's horrible. Wait, why did he get neon green too? Like the brightest color ever.
Because it's a pretty color. Neon is in right now.
Are they supposed to feel like this?
Like what?
I don't like weird.
Bro, this is just a one-day thing. Let me have my fun.
Why does one look crooked?
Oh no, I put it crooked, I'm sorry.
Ah.
What?
You like pulled out my pinky one.
Oh my god, Raul, stop, you're so dramatic. Ooh, look how good they look.
How am I gonna use the restroom? How am I gonna like unzip my pants? How am I gonna take a nap?
A nap? If it's that bad, I'll figure it out. Oh my god, if you hate your nails, you're gonna hate what I'm gonna make you do next.
Wait, what is that? Wait, why are you putting latex gloves on? Wait, what is this?
Bro, I just honestly think it'd be so funny.
Wait, are you gonna put slime on me or what? I don't get it.
It's not slime, dude.
It looks like a slime container. You're gonna dye my hair.
It's not gonna come off. I mean, it's gonna come off.
What?
Bro, just let it happen, bro. Oh, we're really doing this.
Wait, oh my god.
It's really happening.
Well, can I at least eat some Brookside dark chocolate in the meantime?
We love a sponsor. How do you do this? Bro, this is the best thing that's ever happened to you. You look so good. I can't believe you're letting me do this. This is amazing.
Just wait till it's my turn.
This feels like an avocado mask on your hair.
I feel it's wrong.
How do you feel, Raul?
It hurts. So like.
Why does everything hurt so much? This is amazing. I'm actually thriving right now.
I look like a joke.
Turn around this way. Oh my god, you look like a Christmas tree. It looks amazing.
What if you saw me like this on the first date? Would you have gone out with me?
I can't judge you.
Then it's not cute.
I'm not gonna judge you, but I would just be like, oh, he has like an interesting style.
You're not gonna dye my eyebrows too, are you?
Why would you say that?
Wait, no.
Why would you say that? Because now I want to dye your eyebrows.
No. Oh my god. No. Whoa, my god.
Like
a cloud.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. Go. Bro, it's funny. How you not gonna want to dude? Come on, just go.
I don't even know how to walk.
You're doing amazing. You look amazing.
Thanks.
Bro, come on.
I don't want to.
What the heck? What the What did Karina do to you?
I said yes to everything.
Oh my god.
I have to say yes.
So this is the married life.
I don't know.
Wait, you got nails on too? Oh my god.
It's supposed to be, I'm making him do everything I
like
say for
it's-
24 hours.
That's good.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't care.
Wait, has Butter or Foxy seen you?
Don't worry, Raul, it's okay. You don't have to worry about it too much because we're shaving off your
Wait,
hair.
what?
I'm just kidding. How are you feeling, Swishy?
Can't do anything.
We've been sitting here for like 2-3 hours just watching TV and we want coffee.
You want coffee? Wait, so I'm gonna go out in public and get you coffee?
You're supposed to say yes. Bro, I will do anything when it comes to my turn. You know how many embarrassing things I've done in public? I went out in squishies.
You told me I'm not gonna go out in public.
I know, you're not gonna get off the car. Just go through the drive-thru. Bro, please, let's get some coffee.
There's no way I'm gonna go, dude. I'm not going. Period. Why am I doing this?
How are you feeling, Raul?
Embarrassed over it.
I think you look great.
Like the only thing I did good for is like scratching my face. Like inside my nose, you know, like oh my god, scratch it.
I love this.
Oh my god. Yeah, can I have an iced matcha green tea latte?
Oh my god, Raul, you're about to go through the window. Oh my god, Raul, please tell him that it's for video, because I'm embarrassed now. Raul, just warn them a little bit, just warn them.
This was your idea. I'd be like, this is her idea.
Look weird. Oh.
No, I'm okay. He doesn't even care.
He's probably like, what the heck?
He's probably like this idiot.
You're doing amazing, sweetie. Okay, so it's been a few hours and I have no idea where Raul's even at. I think he might be making slime, but I'm gonna go see what he's doing because I'm really curious to see what he's doing right now when he has those nails. Squishy?
What's up?
Are you actually making slime right now?
Well, I'm trying to make slime. I can't even put the gun in here. It's impossible to squeeze it in.
I'm not gonna make you stay with your nails in your hair because I really do feel bad. What if you just make your little Instagram video real quick and then you just like make food or something? Bro, just say the word. Say it.
Yes. How do you poke slime with this, Karina?
Just pop the bubble, just like how you would normally pop the bubbles.
How do you pop bubbles?
Raul, just pop the bubbles. Go outward, Maria.
I think it's pulling my nails.
Just take him out, take him out. Take your fingers out. Raul, you're supposed to take every finger. Take out your fingers. Like this, like.
That hurts so bad.
Raul, how are we gonna get your IG video? But it's okay, you're stressing out. Here.
No, it's 'cause I don't like my hands looking all shiny because people know I have big oil.
You're worried about your hands looking shiny?
Ouch, 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 ouch. My nails are bending.
Raul!
Oh my God.
Raul, what are you doing? Like this, look.
Okay.
Give me your best Karina Garcia face. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna make some food. Raul, you know my mom's making tamales right now? Like they're literally making them right now. You have to help me make tamales right now.
Why?
Because you have to say yes to everything. Every task I have to tell you, you have to say yes. Just you haven't gotten used to it right now. Can we make tamales?
Yes, we can.
Yay, we're making tamales. Come on, Raul.
Yeah,
It's time to put those nails to work, honey.
Like this?
No.
Oh, the spoon.
Squishy, come on, bruh.
It's so hard to grip on this thing with nails, dude.
You're doing great. Oh, we love fall.
Does fall mean
Tamale
tamales?
season. It does. It means pozole tamales. It means everything. How do you feel that my parents are like literally haven't asked you what's wrong with you?
They're accepting. Grab my
You got this.
grab my tamal. So now we're gonna put some meat in here.
Squishy. Oh my God.
Okay, so like this. That's it.
Tiene que hacer primero, no, luego ya. You're supposed to do that first and then squishy.
Okay, so
This.
okay, I see what you mean.
And
So
then
hard with nails. I
roll
don't
it.
know how you guys do it with nails.
Squishy.
So like this. And it's so hard, and then you. Boom. Is that it? That was amazing. Period.
You want to take them off? You could take them off now.
After I eat the soup. Oh, it came off. Yes.
Oh, these are so good. Oh, you took it off already?
One now out. Oh my
Here.
God, I feel so much relief. Give me some Brookside candies. Ah!
See how easy that is?
I feel like you ripped out my nail with that one.
Bro, you're so dramatic. The fact that you had these on all day. Boom.
That hurts.
I promise you I'm trying to make it as easy and fast as possible. You're doing it too slow.
Oh my God.
You're not surprised how easy they are to snap off though? Like they're literally just snapping off. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So what's next?
Can you take a shower? Just kidding.
Yes, I can. That's probably
Wait,
the
no,
easiest
should
one
I-
you've done.
You were a trooper. Those were
Thank
the
you.
hardest ones you had to do for sure.
Yes. I'm gonna go take a shower, Karina. Drop some out.
He like half yawning. I hate when that happens when it starts up and it doesn't fully come out.
Same.
Squishy, I have one last task because it's already nighttime and we started in the morning, so it's like basically done.
Well, I thought it was over.
It is, but it's supposed to be 24 hours. Like in the morning it'll be 24 hours. So the only thing you need to do now is rub my feet.
Okay.
I don't know if it's just me, but like I actually love foot massages. Like love
I
that.
know you do.
Like every day, huh? So it's like nothing
Every
new.
day I have to like rub your feet.
You just feels so good. Don't crack my fingers. You know I don't like that. Don't crack them, please.
Your fingers?
Oh, my toes. He likes it when I crack his toes, and I don't like being my toe. I don't like my toes being cracked. That feels good, Squishy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How was it, Ron?
Exhausting.
I thought it was surprisingly amazing.
It's exhausting.
A lot of the stuff that I made you do, you wouldn't do. Like you would massage my feet and bring me food, but you would never dye your hair or put nails on. What was your favorite part of the video?
Honestly, the chocolate.
My favorite part, I really like the hair. I had fun. I had a lot of fun.
I'm gonna get you back, Karina.
I don't know what you can make me do though. I do weird stuff all the time. I am crazy right now. Holy crap, this hair. It is nighttime already. I already took my makeup off. I actually took a nap, like a full nap. For a second, Squishy just forgot that we were doing this. He thought it just ended, and honestly, I kind of forgot too. So I was laying down and I woke up from my nap and I was like, I want tamales because my mom made tamales. And he was like, you go get your tamales. And I was like, remember this morning when we said we were doing a 24-hour challenge? Well, guess what? So I got my tamales. Thank you, Squishy Bunny. It's 3 a.m. I am not gonna wake up early tomorrow. By the time I wake up tomorrow, the 24 hours will be up. So we're ending this here. I got my tamales. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna use this one last time. Get me some tamales at 3 a.m. And what did you say, Squishy?
Yes.
It was actually amazing. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below if I should say yes to Squishy Bunny for 24 hours. It's what he deserves. Good night. We will see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Brookside, for hooking it up with a chocolate. You the real MVP. I look crazy. Oh my god, what else should I ask? Should I ask one more thing? Oh my god, Squishy Bunny, I'm sorry to say it, but can I please get a water bottle?